Facebook Content Calendar. Now, the purpose of a content calendar is to have a visualization of how content will be distributed throughout the course of the year. It helps give marketing teams an idea of how content is going to be published across various different social media platforms throughout the course of the year. Now, the proper planning of content distribution allows for evenly dispersed content publishing throughout the year and also resonates longer with each target market. The business objectives of a content calendar include things like maximizing efficiency and the reach of content that is being distributed. You also want to make sure that you're creating a consistent game plan as to when and where each content piece will be distributed. By creating a visually pleasing strategy and having flow charts and distinct step-by-step game plans via a calendar, everyone is able to see a clear path as to what direction the company's content will be distributed throughout the year. It's also important to continue to implement creative approaches throughout the course of the year as needs change and as new technology comes about. Next, it's time to understand current and future content needs. It's important to take a look at what competitors are doing and, in essence, keep up with the Joneses. It's important to stay on track with the current content calendar and to make sure objectives are met throughout the year. To do so, you can also set short-term objectives along with long-term objectives. As I mentioned earlier, you have to adapt with changes in social media and find unique ways to stay ahead of the curve. If there's something that's trending, you want to make sure that you're the first one adapting to these things that are trending and try to leverage that to benefit your product or your company. By doing this, you can attract new customers over time. Finally, there's recommended providers such as NewsCred, which is a global team that maps specific campaigns throughout the course of the year and helps formulate a game plan as to how the distribution of content will be carried out throughout the year. You can also segment to various different audience types. Their costs are not shown on their website. However, competitors have been known to have software ranging from $20 to $500 per month. Interested parties can always reach out to the sales team.